it's time to focus on Python itself. Now, there are a few nuances associated with using Python in a web-based environment like notebooks in Colab. In particular, we're going to take a look at what code editing features are available to us, as well as how the code we write is passed from the web interface to a back-end compute instance loaded with Python, and then returned back to us in Colab in the code cell output. First up, we have code completion. Colab can autocomplete code or provide suggestions as you type. For example, it'll close any parentheses you open automatically, meaning you don't have to worry about it and potentially forget, leading to syntax errors. Talking of syntax, we also have syntax highlighting to colorize different elements of the code, making it easier to read and understand. Error checking and linting mean that any syntax errors or other common mistakes are underlined in red. This feature helps in identifying and correcting errors more efficiently. Python code folding allows you to collapse sections of your code to focus on specific parts, reducing clutter and improving readability. This can be enabled or disabled in the Editor tab of Tools under Settings. Stateful execution is a key feature of our web-based development environment. It's the ability to execute code in one cell while retaining access to the state of all other cells in that session. Even though each code cell has access to the overall state, only the code within a specific cell is executed when you run it. This allows you to test and develop your code in smaller, more manageable chunks. Behind the scenes, your session maintains a shared Python state across all cells in the notebook. Any variables or definitions created in one cell are available in other cells too. If you update code in a given cell without rerunning it, the Python state in the backend won't be updated. This can lead to unexpected behavior if you're not careful. To ensure that the notebook state is consistent with the latest changes, be sure to rerun cells after making updates. Understanding how code execution and Python state work is essential for keeping your frustration levels low. Having the ability to execute code in a single cell gives us really fine-grained control, but it necessitates a clear understanding of the Python state. Once you've nailed down this concept, you're ready to start coding.